stuff to do before class.
I mean, please, she'll be back.
Hey, you. Hey, guys.
Hey.
I'm not pregnant.
Cool. Congratulations.
Celebratory drinks after school?
Yeah, sure. Blair, can I talk to you?
Of course. Excuse me.
Did you get my text?
Of course, yes, I did.
So then you know I told Dan I'm not pregnant.
Yes, and I'm so happy for you. Close call, huh?
Are we really gonna play that old game,
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Whenever something happens that's not a part of your plan, you pretend like it doesn't exist. You act like you're in this movie about your perfect life. Then I have to remind you the only one watching that movie is you. You admitted that your period was late.
Yes, I've been very stressed. I had that chem test on Friday.
And you're acting like a total bitch because you're not hormonal?
Maybe I am a total bitch. Did you ever think about that?
Just take the test, B.
Stop it.
Just take the test. You need to know if you and Chuck are gonna have a baby.
And for a scandal to really blow up, all it needs is an unexpected turn.
Could you do me a really big favor?
What is it, sweetie?
I need you to come with me to visit my dad and rehab. Please.
Really?
Yeah, it's really awkward when I have to go alone now, and I don't know what to say anymore. He loves you. You always know how to make him laugh.
Ignore Reginald. You've never asked me for anything. Here you are officially leaning on me. This time we're gonna be so much better together.
We already are. Well, at least now you know.
Now what? And I wasted half the year trying to be friends with someone that's never going to like me?
Yeah, that's exactly it. Hey guys, so... Dad? You're not gonna be a grandfather. That's cool. That's really cool. Yes. 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 And I thought I was relieved. It's not all good news, though. I told her I love her. And she thinks I only said that because I thought she was pregnant.
Well, son, that's probably a good thing. Gives you a minute to step back and enjoy being 17. You two are moving a bit too fast anyway. Wait for the gallery, but we can talk more later.
Well, I've never seen you give up so easily.
You not start with me?
Can you not be so easy to start with? Why are you taking his advice? He's old and alone.
What?
Tell Serena again. Without the pregnancy scare, in a quiet, no distractions kind of way. But then again, what do I know about romance, friends, or anything else?
No. Actually, Jen, that's a very good idea.
Oh, right. What would you do without me?
Promise me I will find out one day.
Hurry.